To create a close friends list on Instagram, first log in into Instagram and then go to your profile page by clicking on this icon to the right of the heart symbol, and it should look like your profile picture, right? When you get to your profile page, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see these three bars over here? Tap on those and the side menu will appear. And then click over here where it says close friends. Okay. To start with, they usually give you the suggested list of people. To actually go ahead, to add people to your list, and click over here where it says your list. Okay. And then, as you can see right now, my list is empty. Tap over here where it says search, and then start looking for people to add. So just type in names, and as they appear, so type in a name, and they'll start giving you suggestion. People that you haven't add, you say add on it. People that you already add, you say remove. So tap on where it says add to add this person. Then type in again. And then computer is very slow. Tap into search again. And you have to add at least 5 people, I believe. I think it's 5. That's the number. Okay, and then who else? P Diddy. Look at that. Okay, and you have to add at least 5 people. Once you have finished adding all these people, look in the upper right hand corner. Do you see where it says done? Tap on that. And there you go. So now when I click, go to the same place, upper right hand corner, close friends, I can see a list of all my close friends. That's how you can create your list of close friends on Instagram. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.